Okay, I'm recording na and I will share screen. Okay, so for session 6, we will be doing lighting and shading techniques. So, sorry kung medyo choppy yung mic ko. Pero like, am I still audible? Can you hear me?
Yes po. Yes po.
Okay, sige. So, ayan. So, yung flow for natin for today is discussion tapos demo. And since alam ko na art student ka rin, I'm sure naman na you know like some basic shading techniques. So, I will just parang like teach you how to draw siguro in my own way. Parang ganyan. So, ayan. Mag-start tayo with a new canvas. Usually, yung pinipili ko is like RGB. Then, of course, a different RGB, then it's a uh, high resolution canvas. So I will use default brushes para madali. So first, siguro mag-drawing tayo ng do you want to use yung old natin drawing na flower or do you want to draw like character naman?
Oh, character, I guess po.
Okay, sige. So siguro start tayo with sketch. You can use any type of brush that you have. I'm just going to show you lang yung lighting and shading techniques. Like yung sinasabi ko na warm light tapos like cool shadows ganyan. So I'm just looking for a nice brush. So okay na siguro siya. Okay. So I have a reference for myself sa ibang window ko or like a picture. So I will just reference from that. Pero you can use you can draw any character that you want. I'm just going to show you lang how to apply the lighting and shadows. So, we'll put it. Yan. So, usually kapag nag-start ako with like character lang, I try to make loose shapes talaga. So, syempre, like circle, tapos we're just doing bust portrait lang. Feel free to use any brush also. Yan, medyo. So, I'm just sketching out yung character first before I block out yung shadows. Kasi usually, yung process ko talaga is I remove all of yung um, stray lines. Then, I will do the actual uh, lighting, blocking. Yung mga flat colors,
Oh, ano po?
yung mga flat colors, it's usually like later pa. So, kunwari, nag-sketch na
Opo.
ako. For example, complete na to. So, usually, yung gagawin ko dito, it's like, kukunin ko lang yung airbrush. Tapos, like, multiply layer over this. Kunwari, complete na yung sketch. Parang ganyan.
Opo.
So, tapos, parang like, nagpa-plot ako ng light. So, for example, may light here. So, I will just try to plot it out naman. Yan. So, may nose siya dyan.
Oh.
Tapos, erase ko lang. Or usually, mga like, hard brush.
Sa'kin naman po, ano po, parang chibi po kasi ano po, lighting and shading po lang. So, ay,
Ah, I see, I see. Understand.
Masyado po masyado po, ayoko po masyado po complex. Baka maano naman po ako,
Ay. But
fall
there's,
behind.
true. That's true. And like, usually kasi, it's up to you naman. Yung parang, paano mo ipoplot. Pero usually, ito yung way ko. So, parang like, pinaplot ko yung light. So, parang tatama yung light here. Or here. Ng onte. Pero kunwari, may collarbone siya dito. So, ibabalik ko siya. Kasi yung mga ibang artists, mabilis sila because they plot out yung shapes talaga. Yung shapes first. Yan yung main nilang goal. Parang like, they already know where to put things. So, kunwari, may hair siya dito. So, I will just parang like, yung basic idea lang. Basic idea. Kasi yung ulo, hindi siya like perfect sphere. Ganun.
Yung taking a long time po para po sa circle po.
Ayan. So, yun. Parang like, more or less sphere siya. Pero syempre, hindi kalbo yung, ano natin, yung character, well, most of the time. So, like, parang in-note mo lang, like, okay, dito tatama yung light. So, like, it's going to, yung light from this, parang tatama siya dito. Kung may space yung ano sa hair, in between yung gaps ng hair here. Tapos, the entire here will be light. Kunwari,
Kasi
ganon.
po yung problema po sa akin po, hindi naman po ako masyado po into lightning po kasi I don't have experience po. I don't really have that much experience po other than yung shading po. It's more on
Ah,
just parang ang confusing po minsan. Confusing po.
okay, okay. So, siguro I'll teach you more on that one. So, for example, wait, finish ko lang yung ano, para like may ano tayo. Okay. So, kunwari, kasi may mga ibang art ako na usually parang isang brush lang yung ginagamit ko. Kasi like, inisip ko like, maganda na yung sketch. So, parang mahirap pa i-ano, na ulitin ulit. Kasi sayang oras. Time is gold.
Kaya nga po,
Time is gold.
time is go.
So, okay. Ito, hindi ko masyado ipa-perfect yung ano, sketch.
Sino pong character by the way?
Ah, yung gagawin mo?
Hindi po yung sa inyo
Ah,
po.
yung sa akin, Gen Asagiri from Doctor Stone. uh,
Oh wait.
yeah,
Yung
Doctor Stone.
I heard that before.
Yes. Yan yung current kong hyperfixation.
Dr. Stone.
Yeah. Para sa mga science nerds, kahit art major ako. Ang cool kasi ng concept and like sobrang nakaka-inspire. Like kunwari gagawa ako ng like parang like yung parang like pre-colonial na stuff. Parang like kahit I look around nature, parang like mas naka-focus dun yung ano, yung parang themes ng suot nila. So it's like easy to take inspiration din sa mga
Oh.
ibang like characters there. Usually. Minsan nag-overthink ako sa nose. Pero usually kasi, yung nose na ginagawa ko, depende sa style. So, for example, like, kunwari, ano lang, like, nagdodrawing lang ako for myself or like sa business ko, ganon. It's more like ganyan, like anime style lang. Pero like kapag, like, ganyan lang. Is may butas. Pero kapag required ng, like, parang medyo realistic, syempre, like, i-plot ko yung nose, ganon.
Oh.
Like, more or less, it's like, still parang stylized form siya. Pero it's, parang mas 3D na siya kapag ganyan.
Wait, wait. Sa'kin naman po, basically na-scrap ko po yung chibi.
Ah,
I decided to, freeball po yung style ko po. So,
no,
anime.
no problem, no problem yan. Art naman to, so like, you know, anything na gawa mo naman, yan yung style, yan, that's your style. Like, yan. Kapag sa eyes, dapat, kapag sa front kasi, ganyan siya, pantay siya.
Oh.
Pero kapag sa side, nasa squish lang siya, pero hindi siya lumalaki.
Mm.
Unless naka-angle yung face. So, example, nakaganyan lang. So, dapat yung eyes, so, malaki to, tapos maliit. Pero, it's still the same. Lalo na yung pupil. Dapat pantayan palagi. Hindi siya lalaki. So, hindi siya like, pwedeng like, ganito, tapos like, ika-copy paste mo. Yung iba kasi, like,
Oh.
like, they just make it smaller lang. Parang ganyan, smaller. Pero dapat, isi-squish mo lang. Tapos, syempre, replace yung eyeball. Yung eye. Yan. Dapat pantay siya palagi. Tapos, yung
Sa totoo lang.
ears.
Ay,
Tapos, yung ears, dapat, in between this area siya. Kasi yung face, it's like, parang may, parang may edge siya dito. So, like, mostly kapag ganun. Tapos, may dip dito, yung ano. Kasi may cheek yung character. May cheeks sila. So, like, magdidip siya dito, malapit sa eye. Pero may parang bump dito. Yan. Tapos dito kakapit yung ear. Yung ear, hindi pwede na sobrang liit yung ear. So, dapat mga like here, mga ganito, it covers like this area. So, since naka-angle lang, parang ano lang. Tapos yung sa ear, di ako masyado familiar. Pero usually, para mabilis, like parang curved out here. Depende sa type of ear, syempre. Hindi naman lahat ng ear the same. Nagkakapit lang siya dito. Ganon. Then, nose, then,
yay!
yeah. Tapos syempre, like, since digital naman itong lahat, you can focus on, like, editing it later. Or kahit sa sketch area lang.
Kasi po, I'm more on someone who takes so long sa sketching.
Ay, ako
More,
rin.
I mean more on line art. Kasi,
Line art.
po, correction. Correction.
Yung sa sketch, dapat medyo free yung parang pag-draw mo.
Opo.
It's supposed to be like something na mabilis yun i-edit. Yung tutusin. Kasi kunwari, like, nagkakamali ka on like other parts, like for example, masyadong maliit pala to. It can be used, you can use Liquify to parang ayusin yung mga ibang parts. Kaya hindi ako masyadong nag-aayos anymore ano, kapag may sketch na ako kasi na-edit ko na siya using yung Liquify tool.
Oh.
Then sa eyes, usually kasi tinatamad ako mag-eyes. So, usually kasi, like, idadrawing ko siya, ganon, sa may pupil, ganon. Pero yung ginagawa ko, like, most of the time, is like, i-layer ko na lang siya. Using yung hard brush. Kasi, magaling siya mag-layer. Parang nagpe-paint ka. Like, parang perfect eyes na siya. There. Then, pwede ka agad mag-alpha lock. Just like, edit mo lang. Or pwede mo yun. Edit mo lang on top. And syempre, like yung sinabi ko sa eyes, kapag nakaano na siya, kapag nasa side siya, it's supposed to be thinner. So, ganun yun sa pupil. Pwede mo adjust. Madali rin i-adjust kapag ganyan. Okay. Then, ano bang kulang dito? Six beacons. Wait. Tapos yung chin pala. Minsan nagkakamali pa rin ako dito. Yung chin, dapat mag-bump siya dito. Hindi siya straight up ganun. Like, may bump siya ng konti. Dito. Tapos yung madali naman gawin is sa sketch, pwede mo rin i-adjust. Then, kapag ganito, inaayos ko lang siya. Ayos na.
No.
So, kunwari, ganito. Then, I will put like a base layer. Like yung parang ginawa natin similar sa flower, except it's more like parang puro, instead of selection, we can do like airbrush over it. So, kapag mga ganitong like, mga colors, yung ginagamit ko is usually mga gray. Kasi depende sa mood. So, kapag usual na ano lang, just gray. All gray. And syempre, flip yung canvas kapag nagkamali. Flip the canvas. Yan. Okay. Oh, okay. So, ito, masyado maliit yung ibang parts. So, I will just adjust it using the Liquify tool. Kapag malaki yung canvas naman, di siya ganun kahalata. It's not really obvious if it's a big canvas because it will move slightly lang.
Bihisan ko na lang po.
Just, and just, and just, pag ganito, don't be afraid to flip it and adjust. So it looks right. So basically, for yung mga lighting na ganito, it's, well, focus lang tayo sa lighting. So, for example, this is yung base color ko. And mukha siyang dark, pero kapag tinanggal mo naman yung background color, it's still
Like,
bright naman. Mm,
opo.
okay. So, so for this, basically, clipping mask over clipping mask siya. So, yung ginagawa ko is like, multiply layer lang. Multiply layer here. Siguro mga like, depende kung anong color ng multiply. So, since we're going for yung parang cool shadows, yung cool shadow kasi, yung ginagawa ko lang siya after. So, kunwari, may parang area dito. Na ano, may area dito. I will just layer on top of that, like, actual blue here. Like, isa selection tool ko siya. Tapos, may airbrush. Ganun. Parang ganyan. Pero, para mabilis for now, it's just multiply layer. Mga like light gray lang. Light gray. Tapos, papatingin ko ito. Light gray. Tapos, I can plot na yung different areas. Anyway. Clear mask. Tapos, pwede ako mag-plot ng areas. So, kapag ganito, since cool na yung color, pwede mo rin adjust dito using hue, saturation, brightness, ganyan. If you want it to be kind of close sa, sa original piece, you can use low saturation. Para it's just immediately down there. Pero usually, I go for like, either mga 50 plus na saturation. And you can also change yung mood here. So, usually mga like, I go for mga ganito.
Yes.
Ah, yes?
Is it okay po if you send me yung recording po? Kasi ano po, I'm taking a long time po sa sketching po.
Okay, sige, no, no problem, no problem. Gagawin naman natin tong assignment. Para
Yay!
we will do this as an assignment naman. Okay, so kapag ganito, just use yung black, yung mga mask. Then, yung ginagawa ko is I use the selection tool to like plot it out. So, sa eyelids, only here. Minsan, yung buong area na to, I think. Yes. Ayusin lang later. Pwede yung buong area dito. Ano kaya? There. There. Pwede naman ibalik siya agad. Like here. Is-scalp, parang is-scalp mo lang siya. And of course, sa clothes. And this is just the general idea lang for the clothes. So, syempre, if there's a lot already on this side, parang onti lang yung light dito. Kasi hindi naman siya nag-reflect masyado. Then, for yung parang lighting part, dito ka na mag-focus. So, mag-layer mask ka. Then, pwede mo rin siguro ibaba yung brightness para mas dramatic yung lighting. Kasi, don't worry kung mukha siyang muddy. Kasi, like, after nito, like, kapag satisfied ka na, etc., like, dagdagan mo lang ng overlay layer. So, for example, like, gusto mo, like, blue yung ano. Usually, kapag ganito, blue, I do blue lighting. Tapos, like, get like a bright orange ring. Similar sa nagawa natin dati sa previous meeting. Or I'll call it pick this one siguro. Then I will select para mas naging solid siya. Pwede ka rin mag-experiment like soft light, overlay. But usually I just go around with soft light and overlay. Tapos minsan like saturation sa next parang areas. Ayan, experiment ka lang sa colors na ano, tingin mo tama. Kailangan talaga kapag ganito, like, you trust the process talaga. Because it won't turn out, like, good talaga. And kailangan din maraming practice rin para ma-achieve yung ganito. Tapos, for lighting, usually, ito flat square to. Pero similar to sa, ano, this is very similar sa flat brush. Kailangan mo lang i-edit ng onte using yung brush properties. But it's essentially the same na, ano, itong overlay. Overlay, tapos, yan. Basta ganito yung itsura. Kapag, ano, pero syempre, kailangan ilang ulit, ilang passes over siya para maging maganda. Lalo na kapag like yung hair, yung face medyo simple siya, pero it's mostly, yun, yung ganun. Yan there. Wait, ginawa ko siyang mas warm. There. I'm gonna try to fix this. Tapos minsan you have to like edit the whole thing. There. Something like this. Kapag na-on yung background, washing dark. Pero like, ayan. Totally depends na lang.
Looks like a gradient po sa totoo lang.
Yung gradient.
Yes po.
Ayan. It's ano kasi. Ano to? Mas heavy ito sa parang sa mga soft brushes. Mas focus siya sa soft brushes. As usually, kapag nagpipick apart ako ng skin tone, usually yung eye is just like a little bit up there. Hindi naman siya totally white. So, yan. Something like this. So, yung ano ka lang. So, your assignment lang for today, and I will check it on Friday, is you do like one drawing. Like, kahit anong drawing na character, focused on yung shading and lighting. So, usually kapag ganito, it's mostly like, dapat makita ko na like solid yung parang areas of where, wait, asan yung pen? Solid dito yung areas na pinag-shadean mo. Dapat aware ka dito. And, syempre, sa shadows. Kasi where there's light, there's dark, syempre. And, you cannot go one without the other. Lalo na kapag, like, art-related. So, kahit hindi siya colored ng todo, basta makita ko na may proper lighting and shadow siya, okay yan for me. So, ayun.
Kapag in case po, can you send po yung recording po?
Yes, I will ask yung supervisor ko to send you the recording for this meeting. Ayan.
Sige po. Thank you.
Okay, sige. Thank you very much.
Thank you po.
Thank you.